Amakhetho wabohulumende bendawo asalelwe zimveke ezingaphasi kwesithandathu ukuthi abanjwe kanti inhlangano zepolitiki zisebenza ngamandla ukulinga ukudosa abavoti ukuthi bazivotele kubalwa inhlangano ezincane ezinabajameli eParliamente kunye nalezo ezinganabajameli. Ihlangano ye-Al Jamaah enesitulo sinye tere eParliamente ithemba bona iza kuthumba amanye amawadi kulamakhetho njenganyana yenzile ngenyanga kaSinyikhaba unyaka opheleleko nakunamakhetho okukhibelela gazi yathumba iward eLenasia yalithatha ehlanganweni ye-DA.
Is contesting 1,000 wards in 27 municipalities and in 7 provinces compared to the previous national municipal elections in 2015 where we only contested 5 municipalities with about 50 candidates.
Kanti ihlangano iParty of Action eneminyaka emithathu kwaphela yasungulwa begodu enganalunga eParliamente ithi izokurara wonke umuntu kulamakhetho. Ihlangano le ithi inamalunga angaphezulu kwe-300,000.
We have registered 7 municipalities. Within those 7 municipalities, we have registered all the wards with candidates. And we will surprise when it comes on the results where we will have many councillors under POA that will lead wards to prosperity. No more promissory anymore. Now it's action time.
Ashley Souls kungikhethane wokuthoma ubumeyara beJohannesburg wehlangano iPatriotic Alliance kazi unyaka opheleleko yahlanganyela nehlangano yeANC kumasipalata weJohannesburg. Ihlangano le yasungulwa ngomnyaka ka2013 yathola amawadi amabili ebekungewe-DA eEldorado Park emakhethweni okukhibelela ithemba bona izokuraga lapha ichiye khona unyaka opheleleko.
We are very optimistic that we are going to win this thing, and we are expecting an outright majority. Worst case scenario, we have to go in a coalition, but not under 36.
Kanti ke abaholi benhlangano ezihlukeneko ezinabajameli eParliamente bayozibophelela ukuthi bazokulandela yonke imithetho yokuziphatha yekhetho ngelesihlanu. Imithetho leyo ngeyokuqinisekisa ukuthi abongikhethani babo amalunga kunye nabasekeli benhlangano zabo balandela bebaziphatha ngendlela elungileko yokuthi amakhetho abe ngakhululekileko nangathathi ihlangothi.